For the second part of our number corner checkup 2, I need you to open up your checkup to problem number 10. I'm going to go ahead and read it out loud, and then I'm going to ask you to pause the video and answer the question. So number 10 says, what does this part of the number 372 mean? Draw or write what the 3 in 372 means. Go ahead and pause the video. Question number 11 asks, what does this part of the number 372 mean? Draw or write. So you're looking at the digit 7 in 372 and telling what it means. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that question. Question number 12, what does this part of the number 372 mean? Draw or write to tell what the digit 2 in 372 means. Pause the video and do that. All right, if we look at question number 13, we are going to use this table that Marco created after he surveyed his classmates. Question number 13 says, Marco asked the kids in his class which color they liked best, red, blue, green, or purple. The table below shows the results. So the table has the colors listed, red, blue, green, purple, and these are the number of kids that chose each color, 8, 10, 3, 6. So in part A of this question, you are going to make a picture graph to show Marco's data. You're going to use a circle to stand for each kid. So on the graph, when you put your data in, you're going to draw a circle for each kid that chose that color. First, you need to come up with a title of your graph. So if Marco asked his classmates which color they liked best, what would be a good title? And then you're going to take the data and draw that many circles for each color. Go ahead and pause the video and complete your picture graph. All right, next we're going to go over to the next page. Just a second. And we're going to look at part B of that question. So what we did was we moved the table that was over here on the other page. It's the same exact table, so you don't have to go back to look at the data. The data is right here for you. Part B says, make a bar graph to show Marco's data. So this time we're going to make a bar graph to show. Give your graph a title. Again, you're going to give it a title. Here's the table with information Marco collected, so you don't have to look back at the last page. So again, the table has the colors listed, red, blue, green, purple, and the number of kids that chose each color. So go ahead and make a title. And then down here, you're going to color in. The R stands for the red, the number of kids that chose red, so you'll color in that many boxes to make the bar. B stands for blue, G stands for green, and P stands for purple. Go ahead and pause the video and write your title and make your bars on your graph. All right, finally, question number 14, you're going to use this bar graph that you created to answer these 3 questions. The first question, part A, says, how many kids did Marco include in his survey? So how many students did he include in his survey? Write your answer on the blank. Go ahead and pause the video and figure out that. All right, part B says, how many more kids like blue than green? So you're going to be comparing those two numbers to see how many more kids chose blue than green, and write that answer on the line. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can answer that question. And finally, part C says, how many fewer kids liked green than purple? Again, how many fewer kids liked green than purple? So again, you're comparing those two numbers and writing the answer on the line. Go ahead and you may stop the video, answer that question, and when you are finished, you may go ahead into Google Classroom and do your next assignment.